Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can convert data that's in a PDF like this and into your Excel spreadsheet without much difficulty. So this is Tesla's Q3 earnings report, and although it's structured in a table format where you could think you could copy and paste this, you can't just drag and select Control C and Control V to paste it. So the easiest way to do this actually is to start by taking a screenshot of this. So if you've got a screen clipping software, just take a screenshot, ideally just selecting what you want. And so once that's saved to your clipboard, now what you can do is go over to your Excel spreadsheet. And what I'm going to go over is a fairly new functionality available in Office and Microsoft 365. And that's if you go to the Data tab, there is an option here to get and transform data from a picture. So if you click on this, there's an option to select a picture from a file or a picture from your clipboard. Now, since I just took that screenshot, I'm going to select this option for the clipboard. And if I click on that, you'll see now it's going to start the import process of getting that data from that image. So as you can see, it works with just not necessarily just PDFs, but any sorts of images. So now I'm going to expand this pane here just to see what it looks like. So it's going to flag anything that it's not sure is correct. For example, it's pulled in these values. It shows me where it's getting them from. But this one, it's highlighted in red to say that, thinks that it got this wrong. So I'm going to fix this, fix the spelling of this and make sure it looks correct. And then I'm going to click on accept, go through the other one. So this one, Q1, it read it as an I. So I'll put it as a 1 to fix it. Here, this one looks correct, Q2 2025. So you can just review any data points that look off. Now this one, the year-over-year percentages, they've got it in the wrong column. So it didn't flag those, so I'll have to fix that on import. But as you can see, it's flagging anything that it thinks might be incorrect. So I don't see any other obvious issues that need to be sorted out here. So I'm going to click on insert, but you can obviously go through and review each one of these items if you wanted to. If you click on the review, you can cycle through each and every one of these to say accept, 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 right? Or you can just click that option to just insert the data and bypass all of it. So this is just to sort of flag anything that looks off or inconsistent with the rest of the data. And once you're okay with everything, then it's just a matter of clicking insert. And now it's into your spreadsheet. So it's a quick and easy way to do that. And now, obviously, I can make any final adjustments, such as dragging these values into here and then cleaning up the file. But as you can see, a fairly good import from a PDF, and really this works on any kind of image where you've got data. So the key thing to look for is just when you're doing that review process, just to see if there's any sort of things that are off and that are incorrect. But obviously it gives you the opportunity to review any sort of issues. But as you can see, it's a fairly good job. It's got everything lined up in the right column. It's got the values correctly. It's got the percentage. It differentiates the values from the percentages here. So it does a really good job of pulling in the correct values. So it's a really useful way to pull that data in from a PDF or from really any kind of visual you're working in quickly and easily right into your Excel spreadsheet. So that's a wrap for this video. I hope you did like it and you did learn something. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.